Today I'll show you how to use this Scotch-Mount Extreme that is supposed to be able to hold up to 30 pounds or 13.6 kilograms. This is good for interior or exterior, but just make sure that if you use it outside, the temperature is between 50 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be using it on two different things today. The first one is I want to stick this license plate on this door, which has a metal backing here. Some people may say that it's a bit overkill to use this 30 pounds tape, but since this door will be moving a lot, and I tried different other tapes and none worked since, well, there's vibration when I open and close it and I'm not always gentle. Now for applying the tape on the object itself, you need to follow this simple rule that is over here. To apply the Scotch-Mount Extreme tape on the object, it's very easy. You just select how much you want to put there. Here on this license plate, just one stripe will be well enough. I'll put a bigger one just to make sure. Cut the desired amount. Okay. Now you need to press it quite well, so if it has indentation, like here, it goes and sticks well to the object. Obviously, if your object is bigger, you'll need more stripes and maybe even longer ones. Alright, once it's done, let's go apply it. So to apply it, you just need to make sure that the surface is clean. Here it may look dirty, but it's actually clean. It's mostly stains on this metal. When I pass my finger, it's perfectly smooth. You'll need to remove the red tape that is covering the sticky part. Then position whatever you want to stick and keep pressing on the object during at least 60 seconds. This is what it says on the box. So keep some pressure if you can with two hands. Now I'm holding the camera, and you should be done after that. This tape is also good if you have a dash cam for your car and you want to fix it really well. You just need to take the base of the dash cam, if it has one, and cover it with the tape. So this one, I'll need about this much. All right, press it very well. Remove the red tape. And now let's go stick it in the car. Before even starting, make sure that your windshield is clean. I suggest you clean it with alcohol just to make sure that there's no debris or anything. Now I'll be attaching the dash cam, positioning it, and once I'm happy, I'll just keep press on it during 60 seconds to make sure that the adhesive is working well. So this is it. Please leave a comment, a like, and I'll see you in the next one.